2014 Dodge Grand Caravan. Weird sound coming from the engine bay. Go ahead. You can hear the cluck cluck. Okay, let's go underneath. Check it out. As I figured, you can see. Yup, you can see this one is all cracked over there. So let's pull the tranny and see what the flywheel looks like. So now that we have separated the engine and tranny to access the flywheel, you can see we got a pretty nice crack right there. This is in pieces, so also right there. So I'm still happy that it's even attached. So $52 new part, wholesale price for the new flywheel from the Dodge dealership. Go ahead and get that done. So I have removed the flywheel bolts. Yep, that's what we're looking at. Nice, beautiful, heavy duty flywheel from Dodge Chrysler, cheap Ram.